Gun suppressors have come under fire following the deadly shootings in Virginia last month, where a gunman killed 12 people using a firearm equipped with one of the devices. And now the U.S. Supreme Court won't hear a challenge to federal restrictions on them, meaning that they still have to be registered and will continue to not be protected under the Second Amendment, which could prompt more states to try and ban them. A gun suppressor is defined by the ATF as a firearm, yet it's not protected under the Second Amendment rights. So far, 8 states plus Washington, D.C. have banned them. We caught up with Brandon Maddox, who owns Dakota Silencer, to get his reaction to the Supreme Court's decision.
Yeah, I don't think it'll have a huge impact. I mean, basically what it says is everything that's currently in place is staying in place.
Suppressors reduce the sound of gunfire by 30 to 35 decibels. They reduce recoil in your gun and protect your hearing while hunting. Even though President Trump said that he would seriously look at restricting gun suppressors following the Virginia shootings, Maddox thinks the bigger threat to ban them could be at the state level.
My personal opinion was it was the way the reporter asked the question, should these be restricted? Kind of insinuating like the bump stocks where those were not restricted. So I think that his gut reaction was, well, if they're not restricted, we should restrict them. And hopefully he probably realized by now they're fairly restrictive as it is. Probably the most restrictive firearm for sure in America to purchase.
Suppressors aren't regulated under the National Firearms Act. To possess a silencer, owners are required to pay a $200 fee, undergo background checks, and submit a lot of other paperwork. Maddox says that the whole process takes about 8 to 10 months before a person can actually buy a suppressor.